Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Aries, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So let's see what are these cards first. We have Four of Swords, Nine of Pentacles, and Lovers. So, with these cards in your situation, guys, Aries, today you are moving towards something which you love to do, maybe in your work or in your personal life. You are moving towards the person you love or that relationship you love. You are having a good time spending time with friends or family with whom you share a deep bond, a beautiful connection, guys. And in life you have faced a lot, you have a lot of experience and lot of things are going on in your mind. You are thinking about your past situation, the way things were, and you are maybe assimilating all that, thinking about all that experience you have, and you are thinking about the lessons you learned, and you are in a situation right now you are just enjoying this calmness, this happiness that is there in your situation. Maybe you have overcome all the troubles you faced, and all that trials you faced have just resolved, and you are happy for how things are, and people are really happy for you guys. Maybe in your life your siblings or your parents or this person you love, they are simply happy for you, and you are enjoying this quite happy time, and you are seeing things more clearly now, and in your heart of hearts you feel really emotional, overwhelmed with happiness and emotional contentment and joy, satisfaction is what I see, guys, with this card. But maybe for some reason you are quiet, you are not just jumping around making a decision. Maybe you love this person but you are not rushing into any decision, because all that you have faced in life, your trials, experiences, have given you great knowledge today, Aries. So you are holding that thought, you love this person, but you are holding on to it. You are not making a choice. You are waiting for the right time, maybe the right moment today, guys, Aries, and you are enjoying this happiness. Things are falling into place, maybe even in your work situation, guys. You would have faced a lot of delays, suspensions, or some problems in your life, in your work situation, but things are slowly falling into place for you guys, and you are having that emotional satisfaction, joy, and happiness for the way things are going today for you guys, Aries. So, a very positive set of cards here for you all today, Aries. That is the reading. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have three cards here. So, any doubts or confusions, you can think about it. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, and choose the card. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So, I will start with this card, move on to this, and then this. So, let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will leave these cards here. We will see what is the card for those who chose this card. It is flexible. So, with this card, guys, the energy is that in your situation today, guys, we must be able to open up to a new relationship, to learn new things in that relationship, have that new experience, And what is needed of you right now is let go of your rigidity. You don't need to be right always. Sometimes that other person is also right. So you have to be ready for a happy compromise if you want to work things between you both. And the appearance of this card in a reading just means that you have met someone, but this person may not be up to your expectations. They may not be your dream person. But you need to let go of your ideas and expectation to see the truth. Maybe this person may not be up to your dreams or your expectations, but they are someone who is here, who may be right, and with whom you will feel you will connect in a different way and in a more beautiful way, and you will be happy that you have made the choice. But you need to be flexible to go for that connection, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, we have the red shoes, obsession. So with this card, the energy is that maybe for some of you, you have chosen something, some path or some habit or some thing you considered as good for you, a recreation, a desire, something wonderful you feel, but it has taken over your life. It has made you a slave. So you are a slave to these addictions or some habits, and it is an unhealthy attachment that you have. It may be something you have on a person or a habit or a circumstance. You need to free yourself of your compulsion, guys, and you need to seek help and gain control of your life today, because these addictions are taking over you. These compulsive behaviors are changing the way things are in your life, and it has gone to that extent. So you need to be really careful, work on that. It is these compulsions are affecting the way you are in this relationship, the way you behave, and your life in general. So you need to take back your power. You should not give anyone or anything power over you. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all. So let's see what is the third card. For those who chose this card, we have Archangel Zadkiel. So whenever we have an angel card, it just means that angels are there guiding us today, guys. And this angel card just means compassion and forgiveness. Maybe it is time for us to forgive ourselves for the mistakes we did in the past, or for the mistakes that our person did, and we need to move on our life and forgive that person and have that awareness, guys. See things with a broader perspective and a deeper understanding for everyone around us, maybe with this person we love. So when we see things from a different perspective, we understand that whatever happened is no one's mistake. It is all due to our circumstances. And we have to feel compassion towards ourselves and towards the people who are in relationship with us, and move on in our life, guys. Forgive ourselves and forgive that other person. That is the only way we can heal from these deep emotional wounds that we have in our life, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.